Beanie, we're gonna put puzzles together.
Okay, it comes with a little thing saying which ones are which. Okay. So, which one do we want to do?
I don't know.
Which one should we do, Butters?
There's 10 of them.
What do you think, Bean? I don't care.
Cares not, does he? We'll start with like the 100 piece.
Okay, yeah, we'll start with a later one. That's mine.
That's the first one anyway, so we gotta find number 1. Okay, that's interesting. They have 1 through 10 on the thing, but it's not like they're circled or anything.
You bored already?
Well, this brings up a problem. I can't. I'm guessing that one of these is 1 and one is 2. It doesn't say anywhere.
Well, what is what?
So, crapshoot.
We'll just go with whatever. It doesn't really matter, because I mean, if it turns out to be a different one, then
Just
it's
by
a
the
different one.
coloration, I'm thinking that this is 2. So, let's go with 1, which I think is this one.
I'm gonna say that, like, even though this is pretty and seems like a very good place to live, it's very dangerous. I mean, look how close you are to the water. If it just rains a little bit too much, you're gonna get, you know, swept away.
Well, here, Butters. These are really little pieces.
Hmm?
These are really little pieces. I don't know why I was expecting like bigger pieces, like a little kid
That's
puzzle.
only 100. I mean, it goes up to, I think, 500 piece.
Oh, the power came back on. The power went out. This is why we were doing a puzzle. He's been wanting to do the puzzle
I've been
anyway.
wanting to do it for a while, and this gave me the perfect opportunity, kinda. But let's spread these out. There's a lot more than it looks like.
This is Penelope.
Excuse me.
You're Penelope. His name's not really Penelope. It's just something that Starbucks called him once.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
Yeah, they
that.
called you Penelope, so now that you're Penelope.
Isn't that after I told him the name would be Ernie?
Yeah, they told him his name was Ernie, even though his name isn't Ernie. What the heck? Did it just go off again?
Yeah, it's gonna keep going on and off, probably. On a Sunday.
It's a night. It's a nice day now too. It's like, what the hell? How are you able to do this so fast?
Do you not see the pieces connecting?
No.
By looking at them?
No. I'm not a wizard.
That's not that. There we go. Catch up.
No. Oh my god. This is a game. This is all a game to you.
I always just go for the
Corners, I know.
straight pieces. The edges.
I got one.
Oh, it looks like a little snowflake.
No. Oh, look at him. Did you finally choose? But which one?
Please, does he not?
No.
I think that one.
Oh my
What?
god. That definitely doesn't go there.
Don't leave us. Get back here.
Run while you can, Nugget.
Butters. Butters.
Yeah, I know.
Choo doo doo, choo choo choo. Butters, you're rude. I can return this off now to save some battery. Butters! Look who's starting to join the party. You can't eat the plastic. No, you can't.
We have noticed an error in our ways.
He's like, excuse me. This is what I expected. Butter. Butters, you helping? No, he's just roaming about.
Baby.
Butters, help! Oh, he's turning around. Butters, help!
Butters! Help!
There he is. Tell us what to do, mighty one.
What?
Oh, hello.
Good thing we have Butters here to help. It would never get done. Look at that.
He's like, I did this. He's gonna take credit for it now.
He is.
He is. He kind of is taking credit for it. You left for most of it. Heck, your daddy did like 3/4 of it. I got the bottom. Ta-da! It's a masterpiece. Butter.
Look at the tranquility.
Tranquility, yes. It is tranquil. Butters, look up here. Wow, look what he
I
did.
wish we could get it like far enough in the background that it made it look like he was there.
Oh, well, I don't think it's not big enough for that.
Yeah.
I can't.
That's what I'm saying, far enough in the background.
La 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 la. Butters is a modern day Bob Ross. Can you keep a little squirrel in your pocket? Like a little tree over here.
There you go, perfectly showcase it.
Those big eyes.
Going like a boop.
He's like, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Hit the like button. Follow me on all my social medias. Get my face on things at Teespring.
Oh, boy.
I have a calendar. Feel free to get some. Bye. Part 2. Another puzzle we brought down a little table. Beanie, won't you stand up? It's like, what's going on? He's all stretched out and stuff. It's like,
What is this? New furniture?
What is this?
This isn't even new furniture.
No, this is old. Everything we have is pretty much old. Our couches are from before we got Butters, so you know, they're 12 years old, 13 years old. Newest thing we have is probably the TV. Otherwise, yeah, this furniture's from England, isn't it?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Either way, this is definitely over a decade old.
We had furniture England.
Not really. Other than that one dresser we have. Oh.
And a chair.
And a chair. Yeah, we had the
That
computer desk.
A chair that I took from the
Oh yeah,
the
dorms. Yeah, and the Butters barfed on. There it goes, plop.